Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with fermented kimchi because its acid and umami form the stew's backbone. Heat a medium pot, render pork or sear tofu quickly to capture brown flavor, then add kimchi and sauté until fragrant. This concentrates sweetness and reduces raw bite. Once done, deglaze with 1 cup stock to lift brown bits, then add remaining stock, gochujang, gochugaru, minced garlic, and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. This sets the savory-sour balance you want. Once the base is boiling, reduce to a gentle simmer so flavors develop without overcooking vegetables. You let it cook 15 to 20 minutes to extract umami from kimchi and pork. This also tenderizes meat. Make sure to add quick-cooking vegetables like zucchini and mushrooms in the final 8 to 10 minutes to keep texture. Stir occasionally, taste, and adjust seasoning with fish sauce for depth or a touch of sugar if it's too sharp. This is how you control the stew's personality. You finish by gently slipping in soft tofu and scallions just 2 to 3 minutes before serving so they warm through without falling apart. Once ready, taste a final time and drizzle sesame oil or sprinkle chili flakes for aroma and heat. Serve immediately with steamed rice to soak up the broth. If the stew is too sour, add 1 teaspoon sugar or a splash more stock to balance. If too salty, dilute with water or unsalted broth. This single fix often rescues the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.